All right, so I'm going to review this shower caddy. I received this in the mail in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. Comes with a manual, of course, some mounting hardware, things like that. There are several pieces to it. You have lots of options here as far as what you put on the wall and sizes of things. But let's just look at this one. It's made of metal. It does bend a little bit, but only if you're putting a lot of force onto it, really. There's a couple different ways that you can mount this to the wall. It's got these screw holes in it, so you can use this mounting hardware if you want. Or what I'm going to do is actually peel off the adhesive backing to these things and just stick it to the wall. If you want a more permanent setup, you can certainly use that mounting hardware, but I don't want to ruin the wall, so I'm just going to use the sticker adhesive, and we'll show you how it turns out. All right, so I think I'm just going to secure this one using this adhesive right about here. All right, so I forgot to hit record again, but it just peels off the back, and then you can stick it right on the wall. You might need to kind of like press all the bubbles out. And I probably should have done this first, but mine is not quite level. And then after placing it on the wall, wait about 24 to 48 hours before you actually put the caddy on it. To put the caddy on, you're just going to slip this bar in there, just like that. So this is what it looks like. It's really easy to install. Then, like I said, after about 2 days, you can start putting stuff on there, and we'll see if it holds secure. So I'm going to check back in about 2 days. All right, so it's been a couple days, and everything is still sticking up there just fine. I've actually already tested this out. It supports the weight of shampoo just fine. We'll throw a few more of these up there, and it's doing just fine. There's a good amount of weight up there right now. It seems to be perfectly secure, so I think this is a great solution, whether you want to permanently mount it or even just use that sticker adhesive. I think it looks nice and works well. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.